Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also check out our other videos. I'm back with another review, and this time I'm going to review a very useful tool called ConvertPages. So if you're someone who is selling products or different types of services online, you must need a sales funnel. A sales funnel is very similar to a website, but unlike websites, sales funnels are super targeted towards your potential customers. So what it does is create a step-by-step process for your customers so that they can be interested in your product and they can also have a seamless experience while buying your product or service. The problem is making a sales funnel can be super costly and also time consuming, but with ConvertPages you can make your sales funnel super fast and you have all of the customization options that you can think of. And if you scroll down to the website of ConvertPages, you'll see their features. So you can create funnels anywhere, which means you can create on your own domain. You can also create on top of your existing sites, and thanks to instant content delivery network, you can create these funnels, the pages, the steps super fast. There is a massive templates library so that you can design your funnel very flawlessly. You can create targeted funnels, and then there are a lot of other features. A great news is ConvertPages is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. As a result, you do not have to pay the regular pricing, which is $695. You only have to pay $49 and you can get lifetime access to ConvertPages. ConvertPages is an alternative to ClickFunnels, Instapage and Typeform. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. These are the features that you will get from this Appsumo deal, and these are the tiers that you can buy. So tier 1 gives you 2 accounts, tier 2 gives you 10 accounts, but in tier 3 you get 30 accounts, as well as you get a very prominent feature which is agency white labeling. There are also some other tiers. The highest one is tier 5 and it lets you create unlimited accounts. ConvertPages also offers monthly subscriptions as well as annual ones. As you can see, these are the prices and the features. After you log in to ConvertPages, you will get this dashboard, and on the left side you can see all the primary sections. So the first section we are going to explore is this project section, and this is something you are going to use the most. So to create a funnel, first you have to create a project. As you can see, I already have one. So let's create a new one by clicking on new project and name your project, and then you have to select the currency. So let's select USD and click on create project. So as you can see, the project is now created, and you can also see some stats about this project, about the funnel of this project. So you can see the visitor amount, the leads and the sales. So let's open this project, and now on this project we can create multiple funnels. So let's create one by clicking on new funnel. Let's name it funnel 2. So as you can see, the funnel has been created. Now to customize or design the funnel, you have to click on edit, and now we are in the dashboard of this funnel 2. So you can also see some stats such as visitors, leads and sales. You can also filter the stats by these options, and then there is a massive library of templates that we are going to explore in a bit. So as you can see, there is an option called new step. So as I have said earlier at the start of the video, that in a funnel there are going to be multiple steps, and customers have to go through those steps so that they can be interested in your product or they can have a good experience while buying your product. So this is exactly where you have to create those steps. So as you can see, one step is already created. To create a new steps, we have to click on this, and then for example this is step 2. So let's create it. So as you can see, the step is now created. You can also drag and drop this step if you want, and on top you can design your funnel. You can also change some settings. So these are the settings that you can change. First of all, you can have custom domains. So this is the URL manager. You have to provide your domain name in here and then click on update. You can also change some SEO settings for each of these steps. You can also add different types of scripts. So as you can see, these are the script options as well as the GDPR options. And then there is the GDPR. So you can change the GDPR settings from here. There are a lot of options. And then there is the test mode. Now let's try to design one of the steps. So for example, I want to design this first step, and as you can see, there are many options. So I'm going to choose design step. As you can see, now we are in the massive template library of ConvertPages. So these are all of the templates, and I really like how they have categorized the templates. So as you can see, this is my brand pricing. So this is one template and it has different parts. So this is the pricing page, this is the testimonial page. You also got your portfolio, brand order. So in this way, every template has different parts. According to your step, you have to choose one, and on the left side you can see all of the categories of the templates. So you can select a specific category to search for specific templates. So let's choose this template. So after choosing, you will get a preview of the template. And to select this template, you have to click on load this page. So now we are in the funnel editor. So on this section, you will get the full customization options. And as you can see, you can also add different sections if you want. And to add another section, you can also add a blank section, blank slide, or you can also choose from the templates. So let's go back. So back to the editor, this is where all the fonts are staying. You can customize almost everything that you can see on this template, and let me show you how. So for example, you want to edit this everyone deserves the opportunity. So edit this text, simply click on this text, and as you can see the block has been selected, and if you double click on it, as you can see now we are able to edit this text. So let's add hello. So as you can see the text has been added. So this way you can change literally everything from text to image to elements to icons, everything on this funnel to your liking. Let's click on this text. The text is also selected. You can also add some other elements to this text by clicking on add, and as you can see you can add title, heading, paragraph and so many other types of elements. You can also make a duplicate of this text by clicking on this. So as you can see the duplicate has been created, and on the right top side you can also see the plus icon. So once again you can add a blank section, blank slides. You can also open the template library. You can see some text elements, some media elements, and there are more elements and even some flex sections. And then if you click on this, a bar will open on the left side and you can select a specific portion. For example, let's select this one. As you can see the text has been selected. You can also select the block by clicking on this. As you can see now we are in the block section, and on this block section there are a lot of customization options. Trust me, you are going to get impressed. So first of all you have the general, and you can change the alignment of your content. So let's make it bottom center. So as you can see it has moved. Let's take it to center right or center left, top center. So as you can see this way you can make changes to the block. You can also change the background of the block with image or even video. You can even change the color, and you can also make it auto fit. So this way the text is always going to automatically fit to the page. And then there are some flex options. So these are the flex options. And then you have container. So from here you can change the padding as well as the content width. Then there is the responsive section. So from here you can make some changes. For example, you want this image. So let's select this one, go to block, and then for example you want this image to be only visible on mobile. For that you have to click on hide on desktop. As a result it is not going to show up on desktop. So this way you can make different changes using these responsive settings. And then there is the adjust. So from here you can enable the shape, transparency, grayscale and so on. You can also turn on the scroll animation, and as you can see these are the options. Then there is the on click section as well as on hover sections. You can also view your funnel in different types of devices, such as this is the desktop view, and let's see the tablet view. So this is the tablet view, and then you can obviously see the mobile view. So let's go to desktop. So let's select this text. So as you can see now we have selected text. So now the text formatting options have opened. So you can make your text bold or other formats. You can change the alignment, the color, select day or night, and then also select the font settings. And you can also go to section, and on section you can change the settings of a whole section. So this whole part is a section altogether. So you can change the section settings on here, such as you can change the background, the typography style, the section settings. So these are the section settings. You can also move the section to up or down or to the top or to the bottom. You can also remove the section if you want. And then if we go back to the top right to this section, we will get another section which is navigator. So from here you can navigate different sections. So let's click on this third section. So this is the third section. Then there is the fifth section. Then there are some other sections. So you can go to each section from here in a very convenient manner and change the settings of that section as you like. For example, you want to change this text or this image, so you can do that very easily. So as you can see the image is selected. Now you can change it. You can also paste a link to another image so that that image is going to be imported to this section. You can also change settings. So these are the settings. You can also change this text if you want. As you can see the text has opened. You can also change the block if you want. And then if you click on these three dots, you can increase the zoom. So as you can see the zoom is increasing and decreasing. So now let's go back to the dashboard, since I have explored almost all the options regarding building your funnel with different types of customizations and templates. So once your funnel is ready, you can click on save and then yes, publish it. So this is now published. Let's go back to dashboard. As you can see, now we are in the actual dashboard of project. So in this project 2, we have created the funnels. So as you can see, this is our funnel, and in this funnel number 2, we have created 2 steps. So earlier we were customizing the step 1. You can also customize the step 2 in the same way that I have shown before. And then there are some other sections. You will see the product section. So on this product section, you can create different types of products, and then you can host that product on your funnel. For that, click on new product, and then you have to upload your image on here. You can also enter a URL. According to that URL, an image will be imported, and then you can provide the product name. You can also provide the display text. You can choose the currency, the product price. You can also choose if you want the quantity selection to be allowed. So let's allow it. You can also provide the flat rate shipping and the tax, and then you can click on create product. So as you can see, one product has been created. Then there is the people section. So this is kind of a lead nurturing section or a CRM. So let's create a new segment as one and then select the filter. So let's make it lead. Now you can import the leads from project 2. You can select the funnel. You can also select the step. You can also add segment filter. So let's create this segment. So as you can see, one segment has been created, and if you click on this new record, you can also add contacts. So there is the first name, last name, and so many other types of boxes that you have to fill. You can also have some custom field if you want. And then you have the domain section. So on this domain section, you can add your own custom domain. For that, click on new domain, and as you can see, now you have to go through a few steps to add your custom domain. You can also watch this video. And one thing I forgot to show you is that on each section, no matter where you are, you will find a drop down menu at the bottom. So as you can see, it is written learn how to add a custom domain. So on every section you will get this drop down menu, and if you open it, you will get a full tutorial how to use that particular section. For example, currently we are in this domain section. So how to use this domain section, how to add your own custom domain, you can learn that by watching this video. So let's close this and go to integration, and there are a lot of integration options with ConvertPages. Let me show you those. So if you click on new integration, then you have to provide a name, and then as you can see, there are so many different types of integration options that you can have. For example, for payment you have Stripe and PayPal, and then there is the sub account option. So you can add a new sub account from here. You have to provide these details, and then there is the billing options and your own settings. So overall, I think ConvertPages is an excellent tool that lets you create sales funnels, and to be honest, the creation of sales funnels is super easy in ConvertPages. On each section you will get tutorials, so no matter what types of problem you face, you are going to get the solution, and there are a lot of customization options available. You can customize the blog, the text, the images, literally everything that you can find on all the templates that are available on ConvertPages. And regarding the templates, the number of templates are massive. So that's a huge plus, because in a sales funnel you have to impress your customers, and with these pre-made templates you are going to surely get to the good side of your customers. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal of ConvertPages, make sure you check the link in the description below. These are the features that are available with this deal, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.